Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. For this wash day, I'll be using the Hydrating AvoKiwi collection from NaturAll. This collection is an upgraded and revised version of the original avocado collection. With its highlighted key ingredients, avocado and kiwi, these two ingredients pack a powerful punch to encourage healthy hair growth. The AvoKiwi line was created to make your wash day and styling more manageable and hydrating. This line includes a shampoo, a rinse-off conditioner, a deep conditioner, which is currently in my freezer, sorry about that, a leave-in conditioner, a moisturizer, twisting paste, a curl custard, and an oil blend. Now I've been using these products for a little while now, and I can tell you, this line is absolutely amazing for dry, brittle hair. From the hydration, the slip, moisture, how it's fast absorbing that aids in detangling and conditioning my hair with its great quality ingredients, the overall way these products make my hair feel and look is truly awesome. So let's go ahead and get into this wash day because my hair is looking and feeling a little bit like the Sahara Desert. Just a tad dry and crusty. So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. So that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the products I used for this wash day by NaturAll's AvoKiwi line. My hair feels super soft, hydrated, and nourished. And I'm really loving this curl definition I got from using the hydrating custard. If you saw a product or products in this line you would like to check out, head on over to NaturAll.com for more detail and pricing. And as per usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!